sobrang happy, of course, kasi syempre panalo, win is a win pa rin. Kahit na 5 sets yan. And that's our goal. Kailangan makakuha ulit kami ng panalo. And we're so happy again and proud sa team namin. Especially kay Erica, birthday girl. And of course, with the help of our new import. So, thank you so much, Katie.
Thank you.
It was and birthday girl, Erica Santos. Nung fourth, going into the fifth set, doon mo talaga nahanap yung rhythm mo. Siguro paano lang yung naging adjustments mo during the first few sets and nakuha mo yung game ball later in that game?
Siguro pinapahalagahan ko lang yung mga set na binibigay kasi parang familiar na kami sa isa't isa eh. So parang hindi na para maghanapan pa ng iba. Kumbaga, nag-aako na lang ng responsibilidad.
Thank you. And for catching your first game here in the PCL, you joined the conference midway, but what can you say about how you performed tonight with the team?
I obviously am super glad that we won, and for me, it was like rough performance, and I hope I can just help the team more in the future. And everybody was super supportive, super helpful. Everybody is very, very good here, so I'm just grateful to be a part of this team, and hopefully I can help them do even better in the future.
Thank you.
Fortunately, you only had a short time to prepare your duty. How did you embrace the challenge?
Last night was the first night I actually got more than 4 hours of sleep, so preparing is very rough, but again, everybody is super, super helpful and accommodating, and they're helping me in practice, they're helping me be in the best shape I can with the 4 hours of sleep, so yeah, it was a great challenge and I really enjoyed it.
Coach Erica, ano naman masasabi sa kanya so far? May malaki agad yung impact niya na pinakita sa laro kanina.
Okay. Siguro sa amin, like sa teammates niya, nakakatulong siya kasi factor siya ng parang kasi yung light yung mood niya and explosive siya. So, na-challenge din kami. So, thankful kami kasi na-share niya yung experience niya sa amin.
For me yung first day pa lang na nabit ko siya sa training, nakita ko yung adrenaline, yung pagiging aggressive, and jolly, and of course yung pagiging athletic niya talaga. So, hopefully yun nga, maka-adjust, and magbibigay din namin kung ano yung kailangan niya. For sure kasi mabibigay niya kung ano kailangan natin. So, yun.
Coach, bilang sa PBL, hindi na tayo magkaroon ng import switch in the middle of the conference. Siguro personally for you, paano nyo lang dinate yung pressure nyo, yung challenge na yun na with the new import, kailangan maka-produce ako ng mas maganda?
Siguro for me, yung tiwala ko rin muna sa mga local players namin. Kasi siyempre, doon talaga maggagaling lahat eh. And of course, pag may import tayo, additional for us para mas lumakas yung team. And I think itong dalawang panalo namin yung nag-boost din ng moral namin. And we're so happy na, yun nga, nakakuha ulit kami ng dalawang panalo. And I think, yung pressure, meron or walang import, laging meron lagi lang naman yun nandyan. Siguro yung pag-handle lang, and then kung paano rin kami maging role model sa team namin, especially ako, kung paano ko rin dadalhin yung team namin, and paano ko rin sila iaangat kahit na anong sitwasyon meron. So yun.
What made you decide to join the Sports Fighters and play here in PBL?
I actually wanted to come to the Philippines in the beginning of the season, but it just didn't work out. And then when this opportunity came up, I was like, yes, 100%, I'm coming. And I don't know, like that's it. I just thought it was a great opportunity. I thought the team was pretty good, so really good actually. And yeah, it just there was no question. I was like, okay, I'm going. Now I'm here.
What are your goals here in the PBL, especially with the Superstars?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
What are your goals here in the PBL?
Goals. My goals are to win everything we can, every match from now on, starting today obviously, and enjoy the rest of the season with the team. They're amazing. I really love all of them, and I just want to be as happy with them as we can, winning everything and doing, our best together.
Okay.
Coach, yung next game will be against Capital One. Your last game of the league. So, paano nila yung game?
Siyempre magpe-prepare talaga kami mabuti kasi last game ng first round. And of course, like sinabi ko kanina, magandang boost para sa amin na going to our last game. And pero mas aaralin talaga namin kung ano yung kayang gawin o strength ng Capital One para mas stop namin, especially yung key players nila. And of course, mag-recover and hopefully, especially Katie, kasi siyempre kailangan nyo ng sleep talaga, more sleep. So, ayun muna. And then we will enjoy din namin itong panalo.
Thank you, Coach.
Okay, thank you.